All right, guys, I am Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today is going to be our last mow of the year. Towards the end of fall, we've already had some snowfall, some thaw. Today is just a nice day, and I figured since people are asking, how's the grass doing? Figured we'd do one last mow. We are losing some color. This is tall fescue. This is the second season. We did overseed. Link the videos up here in the playlist of the whole progress of it. So let's get mowing. If you would, real quick, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We create new content every Friday and Monday. It would really help our channel out. This is it now. I cut it a couple of weeks ago, and we got some decent lines, even though we weren't even using a striper. I was just this side discharging also, but today we have some little bit wet over there, just because of the thaw. And then the rest, you know, it's not as green as it was. It's gonna be hard to, you know, see how nice the lawn is because it's losing color. We have some bad lighting today. We can try to do it though. Some people say not to give grass clippings to the chickens. We do it. I don't really care. They love it. It's a win-win. All right, guys, that is it for today. We just got the whole thing mowed, so let's check out what's going on. You can see a little bit of lines down here. Like I said, I'm not towing anything behind to do that. I'm just going opposite directions on every pass. As you can see, a little bit wet. Probably shouldn't be mowing it, but I figured we'd get one last mow video in. If you haven't seen my seeding video, it's gonna be right over here. Make sure you check that out. So, side. This is not all tall fescue. I've overseeded a little bit with, but it's not, it's primarily some other grass. I'm not really sure what it is. Say hi to the piggos over here. What's up, guys? Hanging out? We haven't quite named them yet. We'll check out the front yard. This needs a lot of work. I didn't put all that work into it this year, but it still looks pretty good. Let's check it out. Pretty happy with it. As you can see, the different grasses, some are green, some are dead. Thickened it up a little bit here when we overseeded. But this was just covered in leaves, acorns, pine needles, and everything, and I just used my bagger and just cleaned it right up. You know, sometimes it does get stuck in the chute, but you just shake that thing and it'll unclog right away. So it's not too bad, a lot quicker than raking. I would definitely recommend it. If you guys are not subscribed already, make sure you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel out.